Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your background bigger. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Drawio, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to make the background here in Drawio a little bit bigger or larger, you just have to follow these simple steps. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the diagram or file that you're working with. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. Now, I'm going to add an image here. Go to File, Import an image. Now, you seem like it doesn't fit on the, I wanted the interface a bit bigger. For you to be able to do that, we have to resize the page manually, all right? And by doing so, all we have to do is go to the File section on the upper left corner, click the Page Setup, all right? If you do that, you have all these options. You can adjust the page size settings to your desired dimensions. For example, right now we are using the US letter, which is 8.5 by 11. You can use the legal 8.5 by 14, US tablet by 11 by 17, US executive 7 by 10, A0, A1 until A7, which is 74 mm to 105 mm, B4, B5, 1609, and of course you can also set the custom range. All right, you can put in your desired dimensions in inches or centimeters. So you have all these. Not only that, you can set also the grid size from 10 until a lot, and the background can be changed as well. You can drag images or URLs right here. You can put in the width and the height. You can put in the fill color, shadows, and click on apply if you wanted. So that's one way for you to make your background bigger. Now, another option is, you see here, let me cancel that. If you right click on the, there isn't much of an option, but what you can do is use the zoom out to view the full background. All right, so you can use the zoom tool by pressing Control plus on your computer. So, and then you can hover using the scroll bar here to navigate through the pane inside your canvas. And again, all you have to do is press the Control minus to zoom out to hover again to your canvas. So these are going to be some of your options to make your background bigger. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.